Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langley Guide. I am Saurav Rohokle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic on the rule of the road on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Balasaheb Rohokle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe the channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. On the rule of the road is written by dash dash, an English essayist. Options are A. Alex George Gardiner, B. Anderson George Gardiner, C. Arthur George Gardiner, or D. Alfred George Gardiner. Correct option is D. Alfred George Gardiner. Question number 2. A.G. Gardiner was a very highly regarded dash dash century English journalist, editor, and essayist. Options are A. 20th, B. 21st, C. 18th, or D. 19th. Correct option is A. 20th. Question number 3. A.G. Gardiner wrote his essays under the alias or pen name or pseudonym of dash dash. Options are A. Robert Gardiner, B. Alpha Gardiner, C. Alpha of the Plough, or D. Oscar Gardiner. Correct option is C. Alpha of the Plough. Question number 4. A.G. Gardiner was born on 2 June 1865 dash dash United Kingdom or England. Options are A. London, B. Chelmsford, C. Edinburgh, or D. Manchester. Correct option is B. Chelmsford. Question number 5. A.G. Gardiner was died on dash dash at the age of 80 in Buckingham, England. Options are A. 3 March 1946, B. 3 March 1952, C. 3 March 1950, or D. 3 March 1948. Correct option is A. 3 March 1946. Question number 6. A.G. Gardiner was one of the youngest editors of dash dash, a popular national newspaper. Options are A. Daily Mirror, B. National Herald, C. The Daily News, or D. Washington Post. Correct option is C. The Daily News. Question number 7. In 1915, A.G. Gardiner became a regular contributor of dash dash publication. Options are A. The Oxford Times, B. The Gloucester Citizen, C. The Sunday Times, or D. The Star. Correct option is D. The Star. Question number 8. A.G. Gardiner follows the writing style of dash dash, a well-regarded essayist of the Romantic era. Options are A. Francis Bacon, B. Charles Lamb, C. Edgar Allan Poe, or D. Thomas De Quincey. Correct option is B. Charles Lamb. Question number 9. What style of A.G. Gardiner is famous for? Options are A. Supernatural subjects, criticism on social issues and formality, B. Problematic topics, hard language, satire and fancy, C. Vagueness, formality, flowery language and use of difficult words, D. Wit, intimacy, informality, lucidity, sense of observation, dignified manner. Correct option is D. Wit, intimacy, informality, lucidity, sense of observation, dignified manner. Question number 10. What vital question does A.G. Gardiner raise in the present essay? Options are A. Meaning of true liberty and limits of individual freedom, B. Problems raised by the old stout lady walking with her basket, C. Social problems faced by contemporary people, or D. Problems raised in different sectors in the 20th century. Correct option is A. Meaning of true liberty and limits of individual freedom. Question number 11. What according to Gardiner are the two liberties that need to be preserved? Options are A. Individual and political, B. Individual and religious, C. Individual and social, or D. Personal and ethical. Correct option is C. Individual and social. Question number 12. According to Gardiner, we must sacrifice our personal liberty for the sake of dash dash. Options are A. Social or public liberty, B. Religious liberty, C. Political liberty, or D. Our pleasure. Correct option is A. Social or public liberty. Question number 13. Who told the jolly story about a stout old lady to A.G. Gardiner? The options are A. Mr. Arthur Ransom, B. Mr. Arthur Ransom, C. Mr. Charles Lamb, or D. Mr. Arthur Hallam. Correct option is B. Mr. Arthur Ransom. Question number 14. Where does the story of the old stout lady take place? Options are A. Petrograd, B. Piccadilly Circus, C. London, or D. Moscow. Correct option is A. Petrograd. Question number 15. Gardiner describes the stout old lady who walks in the middle of a street is unaware of peril. Here, peril means dash dash. Options are A. Source of exercise, B. Source of happiness, C. Source of liberty, or D. Source of danger. Correct option is D. Source of danger. Question number 16. What was the old lady's reaction when it was pointed out to her that pavement was the place for a foot passenger? Options are A. We get liberty so I go where I like, B. She feels sorry, C. She becomes happy, or D. She decides to change her way. Correct option is A. We get liberty so I go where I like. Question number 17. What would be the consequence of the stout old lady's action? Options are A. Motivation, B. Entertainment, C. Inspiration, or D. Chaos. Correct option is D. Chaos. Question number 18. Why was the stout old lady walking down the middle of the road? Options are A. For exercise, B. She was asked to walk, C. To purchase grocery, or D. To enjoy personal liberty. Correct option is D. To enjoy personal liberty. Question number 19. How was the stout lady mistaken about liberty? Options are A. She had liberty to quarrel, B. She had liberty to do anything, C. She had liberty to carry basket, or D. She had liberty to gain weight. Correct option is B. She had liberty to do anything. Question number 20. Why should we not feel offended or insulted when we are stopped by a traffic policeman? Options are A. He is a symbol of liberty, B. He is a symbol of tyranny, C. He is a symbol of officer, or D. He represents government. Correct option is A. He is symbol of liberty. Question number 21. What does the policeman at Piccadilly Circus symbolize? Options are A. Liberty, B. Walk, C. Rule, or D. Discipline. Correct option is A. Liberty. Question number 22. What was Gardiner reading during his journey? Options are A. Red books, B. Blue books, C. Pink books, or D. Black books. Correct option is B. Blue books. Question number 23. What do you mean by blue books? Options are A. Books having blue bindings, B. Books having blue cover, C. Books having blue paper, or D. Government records. Correct option is D. Government records. Question number 24. Gardiner reads blue books for dash dash purpose. Options are A. Professional, B. Entertainment, C. Kill time, or D. Examination. Correct option is A. Professional. Question number 25. What did A.G. Gardiner need dash dash in the compartment? Options are A. Reasonable chaos, B. Reasonable silence so that he can concentrate on reading, C. Good company, or D. Sufficient light so that he can read the book. Correct option is B. Reasonable silence so that he can concentrate on reading. Question number 26. Who had disturbed Gardiner while reading the book in the train? Options are A. Vendor, B. Driver, C. Salesman, or D. A couple of men or passengers. Correct option is D. A couple of men or passengers. Question number 27. How does one of the co-passengers talk with his friend in the train? Options are A. In low voice and pompous manner, B. In loud voice and haughty manner, C. In murmuring voice, or D. In arrogant manner. Correct option is B. In loud voice and haughty manner. Question number 28. The couple of co-passengers who disturb Gardiner talk on dash dash subjects. Options are A. Meaningless or unimportant, B. Social and individual liberty, C. Job opportunities and career, or D. Share market and investment. Correct option is A. Meaningless or unimportant. Question number 29. What were the topics being discussed by co-passengers? Options are A. Love affairs, B. International politics, C. Present education system, or D. Rule of the road. Correct option is B. International politics. Question number 30. One of the co-passengers in the railway compartment criticizes dash dash. Options are A. America and France, B. America and England, C. England and Russia, or D. France and Germany. Correct option is D. France and Germany. Question number 31. What is the tone of the essay on the rule of the road? Options are A. Aesthetic, B. Humorous or funny, C. Sarcastic, or D. Defensive. Correct option is B. Humorous or funny. Question number 32. What does the rule of the road mean? Options are A. Follow traffic rules, B. Do not throw garbage on road, C. Enjoy liberty but don't harm others, or D. Always keep license with you. Correct option is C. Enjoy liberty but don't harm others. Question number 33. Why should individual liberty be curtailed? Options are A. It may affect personal liberty, B. It may affect public liberty, C. It may affect gardener's liberty, or D. It may affect college library. Correct option is B. It may affect public liberty. Question number 34. In the essay, Piccadilly Circus is referred as dash dash. Options are A. London Road Junction, B. Circus in London, C. Circus in England, or D. Circus having tigers. Correct option is A. London Road Junction. Question number 35. Curtailment of private liberty helps to enjoy dash dash. Options are A. Social liberty, B. Social anarchy, C. Universal chaos, or D. Liberty to walk anywhere. Correct option is A. Social liberty. Question number 36. According to Gardiner, liberty is not a personal affair only, but a dash dash. Options are A. Social anarchy, B. Social disorder, C. Social contract, or D. Public health. Correct option is C. Social contract. Question number 37. What according to Gardiner is the foundation of social conduct? Options are A. Nobody should enjoy liberty, B. One must know his rights, C. To know feelings of others, or D. Law must be strict. Correct option is C. To know feeling of others. Question 38. What is the hideous curse referred to in the essay? Options are A. Use rules while walking, B. Use of aggressive bullying horn, C. Rules of driving, or D. Training of a driver. Correct option is B. Use of aggressive bullying horn. Question number 39. Gardiner describes himself as a comprise because he is neither a dash dash nor a dash dash. Options are A. Marxist nor a Tolstoyan, B. Stout lady nor a police, C. Petrograd nor a Piccadilly Circus, or D. Author nor a reader. Correct option is A. Marxist nor a Tolstoyan. Question number 40. A.G. Gardiner explores the theme dash dash in the present essay. Options are A. Personal and social liberty, B. Rule and the road, C. A stout old lady, or D. Importance of blue books. Correct option is A. Personal and social liberty. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.